welcome back to my channel. It's your girl VYMART. How are you doing today? This video was highly requested on my VYMART Instagram fan. If you're from Instagram, just say hello in the comment section. And if this is your first time, welcome. My name is Vivian. I'm a London-based Nigerian-born YouTuber, and I shoot lifestyle and travel videos on this channel, and I post every Sunday at 5:30. So if you're new here, welcome. Make sure you click that subscribe button, grab a cup of something, because today we're going to be talking about my declutter journey, me trying to be a minimalist. So if that's the type of video that you like to watch, sit down and let's just get right into it. Yeah, sometime in 2020, I started thinking about wanting to be a minimalist, right? And I put it on my Instagram story. If you're not following me on my Instagram story, you are missing out. So I put it on my Instagram story that I wanted to be a minimalist, and I just left it there. 2020 Christmas, I then bought myself a service from an image consultant called Joy. Her business name is Potential You. She's on Instagram. This was where it all started, by the way. So I bought the first package from her. I think it was wardrobe consultation. I kind of did it back to front, and then lockdown was happening. We couldn't go anywhere, so I didn't quite use my voucher. I think it was valid for a little while, maybe a year, because of the lockdown. And then 2021 happened. We were going to meet, and then I realized that actually I can't do wardrobe consultation without doing detox, without doing body shape, without doing colors. Colors is the kind of color that work for you. So after having a chat with Joy, and at the time I paid $1.99 for one of the service, and I was like, even $1.99 is a lot. But then I thought, if I want to do this, I want to do this properly. So I started to plan. This is kind of like a 2.5, almost 3-year journey. But anyway, I made purchase for color and body shape, I can't remember. But what had happened this March 2022 was I had a 4-hour appointment with Joy. No, we extended it to 5 hours because I ended up paying an extra so that we can finish the wardrobe detox for my summer wardrobe. So what you're going to be seeing me this year, this summer, I know what to wear. Hey guys, I'm not coming here to brain dump this journey on you just because I want to shop. The reason I'm saying this to you is, if you are like me and you have bottom box clothes, yes, you have those clothes you only wear for occasion you're not gonna come. I realized that I have clothes from 6 years ago that still have tags. Yes, the days where I used to go to Canada every other Christmas, I used to go into the outlet mall and just buy myself some really expensive dresses. In fact, I used to buy dresses and say, this is the dress I'll wear when I'm a mom. 6 years later, I'm not a mother yet. The clothes, I'm not gonna wear themselves. So when Joy came to my house, I'm sorry I didn't do any footage that day because I just had a lot going on. And more importantly, I wanted to be in the moment. It was something I saved up for. From where I'm standing, it's expensive for me to invest in that. But then it doesn't make sense that I think it's expensive, whereas I keep buying rubbish. But at least for the last 2 years, I bought some things that I'm now selling or giving away to charity. So is it really expensive? It's on balance. You tell me, what do you think? Do you think spending a couple of hundreds to get an image consultant into your life is expensive for where you are now? Tell me in the comment section, because expensive is relative. Anyway, as we're just talking, I'm just thinking about you watching me right now that has not subscribed. What are you waiting for? Click that button. Click that button, turn your notification on, because we've got other vlogs coming up. You know, I went to Paris. Okay, let's not digress. Let's not digress. But make sure you subscribe. I'm waiting. Just click that button and just tell me I just gained this subscriber in the comment section, so I know that you actually did. Okay, Vivian, calm down. So when Joy came to my house, we had that 5-hour appointment. We went from color, what colors work for me. I did not know there was science to color. This is why you need to hire a professional, and don't be making assumptions when you want to do things like this. Nobody told me there was science to color. Joy did my colors. I mean, when she put some colors on me, you would see the expression on my face. And when she could put some colors on me, I'll be like, huh. As an example, if I fast forward to wardrobe detox, what I'm wearing today, let me just stand up. What I'm wearing today, this top is like 14 years. No, a year after I moved to the UK, this was gifted to me by a friend who came from the US. It's a polo shirt, and this is a skirt, Ashwebi, Ankara. Joy, when we were doing my wardrobe detox, matched these two outfits, and I was like, I would never have thought want to match this too with a sandal, if I wanted to go for a walk or things like that. So those are the kind of services you get when you pay a professional. Now let's continue from the beginning. So we did the color, and I started to see the colors that work for me, and then we moved from color to body shape. I think I thought my body shape was one thing, but she will measure you like head to toe. So I know all my measurements. I now know that since my healthy lifestyle journey, which is another vlog I might want to share with you guys, if you'd like to hear how I've kept the weight out of my body for the last 9 months, tell me in the comment section. Just say you want the healthy lifestyle video and I'll be happy to shoot. So I realized that from my healthy lifestyle and dropping so much weight since the last year, even my bra, you know, I did a bra video, my bra size has changed because this part is smaller. She did my whole measurement and then put the calculation together and now told me that I'm a pear shape. Am I pear? Yes. Where you're big here and then small. I realized that the one that got me excited. So now I know that whatever I wear, I have to accentuate my waist. So my waistline is one of my assets because the proportion between my waist and my hip is 10 inches different. How would I have known that? See, even if I prayed in tongues, I would never know that. See, I can go on and on about benefits of having an image consultant, but that's not the only purpose of this video. Anyway, hey, people of the Lord. This was the most personal, and she warned me. She said this is the most personal out of all these services. I tried not to cry, and then I started gaming her. So she'd be like, so tell me if you want to keep this, justify it to me where you're gonna wear it to. I'll be like, to the park, to the shop, to drinks with friends. Joy, if you ever get to watch this, I'm sure you're having another round of belly laugh just remembering the giggles we had on that day. And that was the beauty of working with somebody who is just not only professional, but boy, she was fun to hang out with. 5 hours flew like this. So we had all of that detox, and then I was like, I have all these clothes. I'm tired of giving clothes out. I am tired, yes, I'm saying this on camera, I'm tired of giving clothes out because some of my clothes that I give out are new. And I wanted to sell some because we realized there's some gaps in my wardrobe. There's some things, some pieces I need to get, and I don't have a budget for it. Come on, guys, I'm not that rich. I don't have a budget for it, so I said I want to sell, and then she gave me ideas of where to sell, and that's where the Thrift Plus came from. See, so she not only does your wardrobe detox, image consultation, and all of that, she also tells you if you want to sell designer labels. She gave me ideas. If you want to sell used but still in good condition high street, she gave me ideas. So I wasn't left on a latch. And now I'm just sitting here waiting for Thrift Plus to give me my goodie. And some of the things that I put on Facebook Marketplace, I'll put the link. I'll put the video now as I'm talking. I've put it on Facebook Marketplace, including this suitcase that I've had since, let me speak Bini, since Nekuya Day. Which means since forever ago. If you understood what I said, tell me in the comment section. So I'm just waiting to pile all those monies together and then start to purchase some of the pieces that I have that are pending to make my summer wardrobe complete. So where am I now? I'm at the point where I want to fill in the gaps in my summer wardrobe, but more importantly, I know what to wear. So where she left me is I open my wardrobe and I'm seeing things that I have not seen before, but they've been mine since years ago, and I'm mixing them. And if you're on my Instagram, you'd have seen the reel that I did yesterday, being Wednesday, when I went into the office, and the compliments I got just by putting those colors together. Whilst Joy was going through my wardrobe, she was just telling me items to put together and colors to put together that I would never have thought of, including this outfit. So we're gonna wrap up this video by me asking you to rate my outfit on a scale of 1 to 10. I've just shown you the outfit already, so rate it, because I think I am a 12. Because what I've also learned to do for summer, spring summer, is whatever outfit I wear, if I don't know what makeup to do, I'll try and match my eyeshadow. Yes, I did it yesterday with the top quest, and when I got to the office, everybody just loved it. So I'll try and match my eyeshadow to my tops, my colors that I'm wearing, just to make it pop a bit, because you know, I had this lady come into my house and do full makeup. That's a video that is due to come out at some point. But Ola Cosmetics, that's her eyeshadow that I'm putting here today. So yeah, that's where I am. I just finished this video and I actually feel light, because you guys on Instagram will be like, tell us, and I'm like, when am I going to shoot it? I have a full-time job, but I'm able to do it before I start work today, so I'm excited because I still have time to have breakfast. Share organizer. Anyway, you guys are gonna see future videos. So if you're here now and you have not subscribed, please click that button for me, turn your notification on, because we're gonna do two things. We're gonna do a YouTube live very soon. Next week Thursday is when I'm thinking. And then we're going to start the Paris vlog. Thank you for all your comments and your shares. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share it with one person. You know, you can just share this video on your WhatsApp story and put the link on your Instagram story. It costs you nothing. Let's help this channel grow. Thank you so much for watching. I have enjoyed sharing my journey with you. You can see that I'm a happy bunny because my life is lighter. Yes. Tell me in the comment section what part of this video that you've enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. So guys, I'm out here just trying really hard to do a proper setting because I've got so much sunlight here and I just need to sit down and film this video. Like, I've got work in an hour, so let's just sit down and hope this factory setting works. Oh, it's too much. We might not add this part to the video though. We might do, just for fun. Anyway, let's shoot this declutter video already.